Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a special recipe that you can make with any leftover rice if you have at home. It's Pudina rice. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the Pudina rice, first I'm going to saute a few ingredients. For this, you'll need a nice wide saucepan or a kadai. Take about 3 teaspoons of oil. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Next, I'm going to add 3 red chilies. If you'd like it spicy, you can add more red chilies, but 3 would be enough. Next, add 2 large green chilies cut up. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Next, add a piece of ginger finely chopped. Saute these ingredients for about a minute. Next, I'm going to add 1 bunch of fresh mint leaves, half bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to add fresh grated coconut. So I'm just going to add a handful. You can see, saute all the ingredients well. A piece of tamarind, I've already soaked it in water. I'm going to season this finally with salt, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So once you've sauteed all the ingredients well, you can see the leaves are all nicely cooked. So make sure you cool this mixture before you grind it. Turn off the stove. Once the mixture is cooled, transfer it to the mixie jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. If you need water, you can just add a little bit. Don't make it too runny and add too much water. So there you have the Pudina mixture. Make sure this paste is nice and thick, because if you make it too runny, then it will be difficult while mixing it with the rice. So this is the consistency you're looking for. So the next step is to temper a few ingredients. For this, I've taken a nice white kadai or a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon chana dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 red chili, half. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, I have 1 large onion chopped. I'm going to add that and add a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they get a nice golden color. Now I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts to give a little crunch to the rice. Now this is optional. If you don't want to add peanuts, you don't have to. The onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Next, I'm going to add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till the raw smell goes. Now I'm going to add the Puthina paste. Reduce the flame, you don't want to burn the paste. Once all the ingredients are blended well, slowly start adding the rice. I have 1 bowl of leftover rice here. So you can use leftover rice, but if you do want to make it fresh, you can also use fresh rice. After you mix the paste with the rice, make sure you check, and if you need some salt or seasoning, just add a little bit. Just add a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm not going to make it too salty. The Pudina rice is ready to be served. So there you go. Next time you have some leftover rice at home and you're wondering what to do with it, check out this recipe and try and make it. It's wonderful. It's very simple and definitely you're going to enjoy it. You can have it with some papad or with some chips and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.